Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, 'cause beauty is my name. What up, beauty gang? So today I'm bringing you guys another watercolor wig using Peerless hair. They sent me a 613 wig. If you don't know what that is, it's this blonde baby right here. I'm going to be watercoloring it today. I'm going to be doing a color I've wanted to do for a while now, and I just feel as though I really can't move on to the next color until this one is done. So I'm really excited. I've never done this color before. I really hope it turns out nicely. But yeah, before I hop into this video, if you are new to Beauty Gang and you ain't never heard of us, sis, I don't know where you've been at, but we are so glad that you found us, because Beauty Gang is hella stupid lit over here. If you don't believe me, go ahead and check the comment section below and you will see multiple Beauty Gang members vouching for the fact that we are hella stupid lit over here. So after you've done that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. And without further ado, honey, let's hop into this video. So as most of you guys know, I do have a low hairline, okay? Meaning I don't got a lot of forehead space to work with. You see, 3 fingers, not 4. Because of that, I do have to end up really customizing my frontals, aka pushing back the hairline. If you want a detailed video on that and you experience the same thing as me with low edges, I do already have a video on my channel on how to customize a frontal for low edges. Oh, and this wig is pretty long, y'all. As y'all can see, it's literally touching my booty. So I might end up cutting it because I don't know if I'm feeling long hair right now. But yeah, now I'm excited because it's time to color this thing. Let's color this thing. Alright, y'all, first things first, I went ahead and filled up this bucket with hot water. Then I'm going in with Temptation and Pink Petal from Kiss Colors, putting that all throughout the hot water, and then I mix it all together. Now I went ahead and placed the wig in the colored water and patted it down, trying to make sure all the hair was saturated in the watercolor. Then I went ahead and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now after the 5 minutes are up, as you can see, this hair, y'all, is still blonde. Look at this. Like, it watercolored nothing. So I was like, all right, let me go ahead and use a stronger hair dye. So I went in with this hair dye from Crazy Color called Pinkissimo, and I went ahead and added it into the bucket, stirred it all up, and placed the wig back in there for another 5 minutes. Now as y'all can see, this time around it did dye a little bit better, but it is still just too much blonde in there. So I figured I'd dump out the water and get a fresh batch of new hot water, because that Kiss Colors Temptation has really proved to me that it's not really meant for watercoloring in this particular scenario. So this time I just decided to go in with the Crazy Colors hair dye, reapply the wig, and then go figure, let it sit for another 5 minutes. Now, this is what it looked like coming out after 5 minutes, and I still wasn't too pleased. Obviously, there's still blonde spots, so for some reason, my goofy self decided to go back in with the Kiss Colors after I just did. I didn't think it was that good, but I thought that if I just applied it directly to the hair, instead of putting it into a bucket of water and allowing it to sit, then maybe it'll take a little bit better. Now, after I finished putting the color on all the blonde spots, I went ahead and put the hair in a plastic bag, kind of how we be deep conditioning when we're natural, you know? Like, I just thought it would lock in the color or something like that. Didn't really work, sis. So now for the additional blonde spots that I had, I figured, oh, I'll just do little hints of purple streaks and stuff, and that'll kind of like, one, dye the blonde spots, but also help give the wig some pops of color, you know, a little flavor. So that's what you guys are seeing me here. I literally was picking random spots, more so the spots that had like a lot of blonde still in them, and I would just dip that particular piece in the purple watercolor, and literally in a matter of 3 to 5 seconds it would dye. So that's what I'm telling y'all, I'm going in with Adore only. This was Adore dye that I used for the little purple highlights. After that, I was pretty satisfied with how the wig had looked, so I felt it was now time to blow dry. You know, blow dry and be showing y'all if it needs some more dyeing, or it's just a process. But yeah, that's what you see me doing here, just blow drying the hair out. And there's still little hints of light pink, but I felt like I could work with it, and I was not about to have to re-dye this hair all over again. I'm just be 100 with y'all. So yeah, just finishing up the blow drying. I was pretty happy with this color. I was like, okay, not too shabby. And after I was done with blow drying, although I feel like the frontal was kind of already pre-plucked, not substantially, but it looks pretty nice. The hairline looked pretty nice. I decided to just kind of pluck a little bit more to kind of thin it out a little bit. I personally think I kind of overplucked. Don't judge me though, y'all, because I haven't made a wig in a fat minute or customized or anything, so I have to get used to it again. But yeah, the goal was to make the wig look a little bit more natural. So after I finished that, I went ahead and applied the wig and laid the edges off camera, and then I'm just letting them set for a little bit while I go ahead and flatten out the frontal where my part is. I'm rocking a side part. Y'all know I love my side parts. After I'm done with that, I go ahead and take off the little edge setter, and this is how my wig is looking. Not too bad. And I decided to actually go ahead and use flexi rods. I was really feeling like big curls. I knew I wanted that, like the body wave type of look, and I didn't have like a bigger curl flat iron or wand, whatever you call it, to do so. So I figured I'd just do flexi rods, and it helps me avoid putting heat on my hair anyway. So that's what you guys see me doing here. Now, something I will suggest for better definition, although my hair came out really nice, I probably should have applied mousse to each section. Like you can see here, I'm using the Got To Be Freeze spray, which kind of I feel like held the curl, but it would have been better had I used some type of mousse or something. So yeah, anyway, I allowed that to sit for a night or a full day, and then this is the next morning. I'm taking it out, and as you can see, got a little stuck there, but as you can see, there are curls that form. But I will admit, I'm not the best flexi rod putter inner type of person. Like, I've never done flexi rods before on myself or hair, so I feel like these curls could have came out better had I put the flexi rods in a little bit better. I'm not mad at the hairstyle, I'm just telling y'all it could have been better. I still think I did that, but it just could have been better. The curls could have been better and stuff had I used mousse and had I put in the flexi rod a little better. But yeah, after I've taken out all the flexi rods, I go ahead and now take my paddle brush and brush it through, and that's that body wave effect slash big curls that I was telling you guys I wanted that it's creating. I think that's so pretty. I love it. And I also really like the volume that the flexi rods gave me, because if you're an OG, you know I love like big voluminous hair. So I was super happy and satisfied with how my hair came out, y'all, because I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, in the beginning I did not know how it was gonna turn out. You just saw me apply mousse there just to ensure that it will lay flat right there. I didn't want no humps or anything, but sis, look at this. Look what I did. Came out super cute. Okay, now look at me giving y'all face and serving y'all looks. Alrighty, beauty gang, so these are my final results, and honey, this came out way better than I could have ever imagined, y'all. Like, I love it. It came out bomb, and these little like flexi rod curls did the trick, okay? Especially because I had like hints of purple and hints of lighter pink because the blonde just wouldn't dye. It came out really nice with the spiral, so I am in love. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I do know for sure though, although this came out decent, I'm sticking with Adore hair dye. Like, Adore never fails me. I learned that a while ago, but I don't know why I decided to try another brand again. I'm gonna just stick with Adore. But I am very pleased, y'all. Like, this hair came out way better than I expected. What do you guys think about African Beauty in pink? Pretty in pink. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video though. I will leave the link to all the hair dye that I used in this video in the description box below, as well as the direct link to this 613 wig hair. And yeah, I do want to do my post notification shout out before I let you guys go. So today's post notification shout out goes to Sharika Grooms. I hope I said that right. S-H-A-R-I-K-A Grooms. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being part of Beauty Gang, and thank you so much for being part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly being shouted out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Then hit that bell button after you subscribe so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then on every new video of mine that you see, go ahead and hashtag Notification Squad, hashtag Notification Gang, hashtag Beautification, hashtag something to let me know you're part of that ride or die circle. You have the potential to be shouted out. But yeah, y'all want another 360? I know you do. I know you do. I got y'all. I got y'all. Hey. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. Beauty Gang is lit. And until next time, guys. Bye. Ladies, ladies, ladies. Move your body 'cause you're loving the way you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident, clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty